or part B. Okay. So what happens when I add these two equations together?
So you get x squared, so you get x plus y
Okay.
equals x squared plus y squared. Minus 4x minus 4y. So then you get x squared plus y squared is minus is, well, it's 5x plus 5y. So, and all the choices are multiples of 5.
Yeah.
So it does seem like we're on the right track.
Okay, yeah, but be careful also. X and Y don't have to be integers, right? So we're dealing with real numbers here, but you're right, all the choices are multiples of 5. And so now we've reduced the problem
We need this.
a little bit. We've reduced the problem a little bit to x squared plus y squared equals what?
Equals 5x plus 5y.
Okay. And how can I simplify 5x plus 5y?
Well, it's 5 times x plus y.
Right, it's 5 times x plus y. Okay, so that's interesting. So it seemed like we did learn something. So to find x squared plus y squared, all we need to do now is find x plus y.
Well, maybe adding these two equations, but then I think that would get you in a loop.
That would get you what?
In a loop.
Yeah, because adding those equations is actually how we produce this.
So, how do you find x plus y? So the sort of problem is we have an x and a y in each of these equations.
Yeah, that's true.
If we don't have an x equals, that would be easy.
Right.
So, what can we do? So we need to get an x plus y. But we seem to be getting a bunch of x squareds.
Okay.
And all we know is this.
Right. All we know, well, be careful. What do we know?
Well, we know all this. So we were given these two equations, and then we found this.
What were you given?
We were given that y plus 4 is x minus 2 whole thing squared,
Okay.
and x plus 4 is y minus 2 squared.
Okay.
So we were given that, and we know that also that x doesn't equal y.
Okay. You were also given this.
But we really haven't used that yet.
You were also given that x doesn't equal y, so don't ignore those beginning things. So there's something else. This must be important somehow.
Well, how could that help? Because if x did equal y, then I think x would be 5. But x doesn't equal y.
Okay. Yeah, interesting. If x equaled y, we could simplify this equation and it would be x equals 5. And y equals 5. Okay.
But how can x not equals y be important?
Yeah, that's a great question. Okay.
Well, it also means that these two equations are different. They don't produce the same answer.
All right.
But I don't know if that's important.
Okay, so we kind of reached a sticking point. Let's try to proceed forward. All right.
All right.